Okay, y'all, I bought this new unit for my suite. How about y'all watch me put this together as I give y'all a little bit of story time about this client. Um, is it just me, or is it that some people just don't have the care for you or your business? So, I had a brand new client who took almost about too long to actually really book an appointment. So I actually walked her through the steps, told her what to do, gave her a little bit of advice. And if you are a client of mine, you basically know how I am when you first get to know me. I'm not really trying to sell myself to you. I'm just trying to sell my expertise and my knowledge of healthy hair to you. Not to really get you to come. I just like for people just to have the knowledge, so that if they choose me or choose somebody else, that they know. Okay? So, long story short, she comes, she sits in my chair. Now, I'm very detailed stylist. I tell you what products I use. I tell you why I'm using the products. I tell you about the nature of your hair. And I also inform you that I will be sending you information pertaining to what you would need to do for at-home care within 24 hours of your visit. All right, get through the service, tell her everything, pass her off the information that she needs right then, and also to give her the information that, like I just told you, that she will be getting a full prescription plan from me within 2 days. Within 2 days, she receives a text message from my assistant letting her know that, hey, your email is available, blah, 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 blah. Okay, well, time goes, and time goes, and time goes, and time goes. Well, finally, I get to see her because she booked the other day. So when she comes in, I immediately look at her hair. I'm immediately disgusted. If you are a stylist and you actually really care about the health of your client's hair and also the integrity of what you and your salon what you have built your salon on, and also the boundaries and all the other things. Like, when is enough that you finally just tell that client or a client that, you know, what they need to expect based on what they're used to getting? Well, this client, clearly, she's used to getting someone that doesn't care about the health of her hair. Aww. They don't care about the integrity of her hair. Aww. They don't care about the fact that they're taking her money and she's not getting the results that she needs. Aww. But instead, she continues to want to use those same practices that she once used without taking the knowledge from another new stylist like myself. So when she walked in, her hair looked a mess, like I said. And I couldn't keep my composure. Disappointment. Normally, I'm very good about, you know, keeping my composure, making sure that I'm staying within the limits of professionalism and everything. But for some reason, my boundaries for that just went right out the window. I immediately started to just tell her, like, you know, hey, if you want that type of service, if you want someone that doesn't care for your hair, that's someone that does not care about if your hair is growing, you know, if it's, you know, that it's constantly falling out, that you are constantly getting a relaxer and then wait until you get home and then actually coloring the hair yourself, but you're not a professional and it's steady breaking your hair off, and the results that I want and what I had established, you have now gone back on top of that and ruined everything that we started. So now I have to start over. And so I just blatantly told her, like, hey, you know, I don't want your money. And if you feel like you have to pay me for me to keep on keeping your hair in that type of predicament, then, hey, I'm not going to do it anymore. I'm just not going to do it. And it's just crazy because what type of stylist do you guys intend to have? I mean, you come and you pay your money, you do the things that you're supposed to do at home, and you still don't get the results. But what about those that actually do know what they're doing? They tell you to go home and use your home care. They tell you what products to use and what products to buy, and also give you the resources to have these things on hand. You have someone that cares about your hair, to notice things about your hair before you notice it, to give you a plan of action, and you still don't, you just don't care. And then you come back to me as if I'm supposed to be this freaking magical worker and that things are just supposed to be amazing and beautiful in one session. And that's not how that works. It takes time. It takes investing. It takes, patience. It takes all of that. What are you willing to do? What type of client are you? Do you want a educated stylist who knows what they're doing and you're paying the price to get that expert service? Or do you not care about where your money is going? You guys let me know in the comments what you think, because I'd be confused.